So Mum, what did you discover in the town of Stoneville?
Well, I just discovered the shopping centre, which I've done a video on. And it was a quite busy little shopping centre. Yeah, we have the Stoneville shopping centre. Took a few photos of it, but I couldn't actually get a good video of it as it was rather busy and I was trying to avoid people in it. So I hope you can get the gist of what it's all about. Had a bakery there, a post office and a supermarket plus a liquor store as well. Okay, got a little playground here on the corner of the roundabout. Heading up this way, there's Mundaring, 3 kilometres. And if we travel west, we'll come to Parkerville. I think it's roughly about 3 kilometres as well. And then travelling through the roundabout, we've got the little shopping centre and the Railway Heritage Trail as well. So there doesn't appear to be much in Stoneville, but as I say, I just videoed the outskirts. There is a garden farmers market in Mundaring every Saturday 8 AM to 12 noon near a sculpture park.
Here we are at Stoneville. The railway trail to the Eastern Railway. This is a billboard talking about the area of Stoneville being an area of a timber camp between Parkerville and Mount Helena. Goes on to talk about the outstation and the section of people power and the horticultural research station. Let's heading towards the road area, and just down from the billboard in a southern direction, I noticed this billboard saying about many hands make light work. So it pays to go for a walk or ride around and see what you... Just on the rail trail, there's this sculpture which talks about uniting and supporting once strangers, now friends. Talking about the devastating fire that we had in 2014.